Max, wake up. It's morning.
What time is it?
It's 6 o'clock. We need to get ready.
Oh yes, today we go to the airport.
Yes, we must not be late.
Mommy, is it morning?
Yes, baby. Wake up slowly.
Mommy, are we flying today?
Yes, Adam. Today we fly.
Yay! I am excited. Mommy, can I take my doll?
Yes, you can take your doll.
Kids, brush your teeth.
Okay, Daddy. Oh, Daddy, I need help.
Come, I will help you.
Max, I will pack the last things.
Sure, I will get the kids ready.
Max, did you see my scarf?
It's on the chair.
Oh, yes, thank you.
Mommy, can I wear my pink shoes?
Yes, Lily, wear your pink shoes.
Mommy, I want my cap.
Okay, here it is.
Everyone ready?
Almost. Let me check passports. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, all good.
Great, let's go. I will put the big bags in the car.
Okay, Max.
Daddy, can I help?
Yes, bring your small bag.
Here it is. Daddy, I want to help too.
You can help with this small suitcase.
Kids, sit in your seats.
Okay. Mommy, can you buckle me?
Yes, sweetheart.
Bags are in. Let's go.
Wait! Let me lock the house.
Mommy, I can press the lock button.
Okay, go ahead.
Done. Good job, Adam.
Now we can leave.
Okay, let's start our trip.
Kids, are you comfortable?
Yes, Daddy. Daddy, I want music.
Later, Lily.
Mommy, how far is the airport?
Maybe 20 to 25 minutes.
Mommy, look! A big bus!
Yes, I see it.
Daddy, I saw a plane in the sky.
Yes, Adam. Many planes today.
I feel excited.
Me too. It's our family trip.
I am happy. Me too.
We are here.
Wow, the airport is big.
So many people. Mommy, hold my hand.
Yes, Lily.
Kids, stay close.
Max, give me one passport.
Here you go.
Daddy, can we take a picture?
Sure.
Okay, kids, smile.
Cheese! Cheese!
Hello, we want to check in, please.
Sure. Passports?
Here they are.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
We are flying to Dubai.
Great. Please put the bags on the belt.
Daddy, where is the belt going?
It takes our bags inside the plane.
Bye, bags!
Yes, buy bags.
Here are your boarding passes.
Thank you.
Kids, take your boarding pass.
I will not lose it! Me too!
Kids, put your bags and toys in the tray.
Even my cap?
No, you can keep your cap.
I don't want to put my doll.
Just for a little time, Lily.
Okay.
Walk through one by one.
I'm going!
Good job.
Now me!
Very good.
Max, take the bags.
Yes, I got them.
Mommy, that was easy!
Yes, Adam, you did great.
I was brave too!
Yes, you were.
Wow, so many shops! Mommy, can we buy ice cream?
Not now, Lily. Maybe later.
Kids, hold our hands. There are many people.
Daddy, Why is the airport so big?
Because many planes come and go.
I like the lights.
Yes, it's beautiful. Let's sit here.
Yes, this is our gate.
Mommy, look! A big airplane!
Yes, that one is huge.
Is that our plane?
No, our plane will come soon.
Daddy, I'm hungry.
Do you want a sandwich?
Yes!
I brought snacks. Here you go.
Mommy, can I have juice?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you.
Max, do you want water?
Yes, please.
Flight 202 is boarding now.
Max, that's our flight.
Okay, let's go, kids.
Mommy, hold my hand.
Yes, I am here.
Daddy, can I walk first?
No, stay with us.
I'm excited.
Me too.
Boarding passes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your flight.
Here are our seats.
I will put the bags above.
I want the window seat.
You can sit there, Adam.
Mommy, I want to sit with you.
Yes, Lily.
Everyone, put on your seatbelts.
Done. Mommy, help me.
Okay, here you go.
Daddy, I can see the wing.
That's nice.
Pilot, we are ready for takeoff.
Mommy, the plane is moving.
Yes, baby.
It's going fast.
Hold tight, kids.
We are flying. Wow, so many clouds.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Daddy, can I draw?
Yes, take your book.
Mommy, can I color too?
Yes, here are your colors. Max, do you want tea?
Yes, that would be nice.
Mommy, my ears feel funny.
Chew this candy. It will help.
Okay. Daddy, look! The sea!
Yes, we are above the water now.
Kids, after some time, we will land.
I am excited. Me too.
We will land soon. Please fasten seatbelts.
Kids, seatbelts on.
Okay. Mommy, hold my hand.
I am here.
The ground is coming closer. We are landing.
Yes, almost there.
We reached safely.
Thank God.
Yay! Yay!
Let's stand up slowly.
Take your bags.
Daddy, I see the airport.
Yes, we are here.
I'm happy, Mommy.
Me too, Lily.
There are many suitcases. Ours is pink.
Yes, Lily, look carefully.
Here is our bag.
Yay!
Okay, let's go now.
Our adventure begins.
Yay! Family trip! Our trip begins now!
Did you enjoy our family trip today? We hope you liked our story. Thank you for watching. This story helps you learn English slowly. You can listen and learn step by step. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We make easy English stories for you. New videos come every week. Learning English is fun. Learn with us. See you in the next story. Bye-bye.